कि khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Mr. Speaker, sir, Deputy Speaker, sir. So this statement is relating to the fire incident dated 24/2/2024 at 22 hours that occurred at the Shillong Bar Association building, Shillong. So the statement is made on the preliminary report submitted by the IGP, Fire and Emergency Services. And information was received from the police control room, Shillong, at 22:15 hours, dated 24/2/2024, to the effect that a fire broke out in the Shillong Bar Association behind the DC East Khasi Hills District Office building, Shillong. Accordingly, the first turnout from Barabazar Fire and Emergency Station was activated at 22:16 hour and subsequently second turnout at 22:20 hours respectively. On reaching the place of occurrence, it was observed that the entire building was engulfed by raging inferno. As such, reinforcement from Shillong FNES station and adjoining FNES stations was sought for. On arrival of the IGP FNES Meghalaya, Shillong, an urgent assessment was made of the situation as the fire was huge in nature and posed a threat to the surrounding buildings of the CJM, Court, PHQ, Engineering Wing of PHQ and Old MPRO building. The firefighters sought to douse the fire from 3 sides to prevent the spread of fire, and within 4 hours of rigorous firefighting, the fire was brought under control. Altogether, 6 fire tenders were pressed into service, as well as 2 water browsers from the Shillong Municipal Board, which provided assistance. About 45 tanks of water were used for fire fighting. The entire firefighting was supervised in presence of officials of the police and district administration. The SDRF also arrived at the place of occurrence for assistance along with the SOT squad. Officials from the SDMA were also present during the firefighting operation. As per preliminary investigation, the supposed cause of fire is suspected to be electrical origin. As per the peon of the Shillong Bar Association, who saw electrical wiring which was found to be melting and hanging. However, negligence from the part of the occupants could not be ruled out. As per the preliminary investigation, no casualty or injury was reported in the fire incident. The damages to the content and properties and the actual cause of fire will be assessed during the investigation of fire, which will be conducted on 26/2/2024, and the detailed report will be submitted accordingly to the state government. The district magistrate, East Khasi Hills District, has also ordered a magisterial inquiry into the fire incident. Further, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, the Deputy Chief Minister in charge urban, the Chief Secretary, the IGP, Fire and Service Station, Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, SP also rushed to the place of incidents to carry out a spot inspection and take stock of the situation on the night of the fire incident. So with this brief statement, I resume my seat.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center.